Welcome back to another video, and today I'll show you how you'll make a simple logo, and you can say this is a banner for the YouTube. So basically we'll open up the PicsArt and we'll try your best to make a best edit on it. So as you can see, they're already been asking for a sign in. We really don't want to sign in, but we'll check out the other things. Popular stickers and the trending replays, edited by Master, inspiring. So let's open up a new window. There are lots of features out there. As you can see, lots of free photos. We can easily use it if we want. So I'm going to choose one of them. So which should I choose? I have to make it wisely. I think I think I'm going for this one. Let's check this out. Yeah, this is loading. And well, what is the pixel size here? Is this clear? This is still clear. There are actually lots of features. Really gonna say. There are lots of new features. So let's check out the effects out there. HDR. Yeah, this looks interesting. Noise? No. HDR actually carrying the awesome details, like everyone will love it. I mean, I am personally loving this, the no offense. So these are the modes. So I can input the sketches, right? That's the magic right there. Canvas and papers. Oh, what about the sketch? So I think I'm done here. So I'll just press the tick, and next we will do some other things like text or add photos. I think we're going for the text, and this will be best movies explain plain. Let's go with this. Let's say this is explainer. Well, this is the best position. So let's check out the fonts. Fonts, there are lots of fonts, not gonna lie. Is this good? Should I change? What about this? No, this children suit. Explainer. Well, so I think I'm going for this. No. Choose color in the sky. Plus purple is not working. This one works, so I have to change the. It's not the explainer. This looks sick. Let's change the color. This one brighter. Oh, this. Oh no, that blends a lot. So I think I'm going for this. Red. Isn't this good? I think this one is good. Okay. And then what the heck was this? Well, what's that? Oh, that looks nice. That one is actually looks really nice. Okay. That one kinda changing the vibe. Not bad. Opacity is I need to. This one, yeah, this one is good. Blend is lighten, not lighten. All. If I use this and here, okay, opacity. I have to decrease this a little. Blend, lighten, screen, lighten. That's good. That's enough, man. And I think there is nothing more to do. We'll just download this. Okay. Save as JPG. Okay, I think I'm going for save as JPG. Save as JPG. Well, that's the pixel. That dimension actually, loving dimension. So let's make this. And I'm going to. I have already saved it. And yeah, that's all for today, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you're new, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more. See you all soon with another interesting video. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.